exciting opportunity for all. Our school is holding a science competition, and for the same you have to come up with the innovative and exciting ideas, okay? And the one who will win get exciting prize. So participate at the regional.
Everyone is going to make the same old volcano and solar system model. I need to make something that will stand out, something cutting edges. AI, artificial intelligence, that's the future. But I barely know anything about it. Idea, I must ask Rohit for help. He knows everything about AI. I wanted to make an AI project for the competition, but I am totally lost. I know you are taking those AI sessions. Do you think you could help me?
AI, that's great. What kind of project are you thinking of?
I don't know. Something that can understand from its surroundings, or maybe something that shows how AI can solve real world problems.
Alright, we can definitely work on that.
Wow, Rohan, you are so smart. Where did you learn this?
Don't you know? This is taught in our school semi club.
Which MI club?
Robotics.
Oh, robotics. I will also join it.
Sure.
Wow, it is really very interesting.
Yes, really. You people have presented your projects very nicely. Well done, all of you. You all are the winners from my side. But since we have to give one best winner, one first prize goes to... Yes, can you guess? All are winners, but for me, the best presentation was given by the team of Rohan and Arjun. Please give a big round of applause.
In a world where the knowledge grows faster than we can imagine, it's not always about what you know, but who you learn from. Arjun's curiosity and the Rohan expertise led to a new understanding, not just of AI, but teamwork, perseverance, and innovation. The future belongs to those who seek to learn and to those who are willing to ask for the help along the way.